Hello everyone and welcome to Kranthi Keen School, where we provide you best coaching for Sainik, Navodaya and RMS entrance exams. So today we'll be discussing an important topic of water image of reasoning subject. So let's discuss what is water image. Water image is just a reflection where the top and the bottom part of the image is changed when the left and the right side of the image remains unchanged. It remains same. We can quickly understand this with a proper example, proper picture example. Let's see. So this is a house. This is an original image of the house, as you can see here. And you can see that this is a hut, tree, and some bushes are there. Now, what will happen in the water image? Suppose you place a water or a river is there, and on top of that, a house is made. Okay, so what will happen? The top portion of this house will be down. It will just invert itself. It will become upside down, and the tree will also be upside down. So whatever is on the bottom part will become on the top part, and whatever is on the top part will come on the bottom part. But the right and the left will remain unchanged. The right, you can see the right will be same. The right part will be on the right part. Only the difference will be it will be upside down. We can understand with few more examples, but before proceeding, we have to understand the basic concepts to solve this water image question. First of all, we have to know that water image kind of questions are based on alphabets, which can be capital, which can be small as well, and on the numbers also. So let's solve and practice all the alphabets, whether it be small or capital. So you can see here that all the capital alphabets I have given in this particular, you have to practice more and more to understand and clear the concept of the water image. What happens in the water image? I told you that the top becomes the bottom and the bottom becomes the top. Only it will be inverted. Nothing has to be changed. You can understand by your example or by doing a practical at home. You can take a bowl full of water, write an alphabet on a piece of paper and just place it on that particular water. It should be, the bowl should be deep. Okay, so you can see the reflection. The reflection will make you understand how you have to solve the water image question. So let's see, this is B. Okay, so what you have to do, let's understand B. The water image of the B, as I told you, will remain, for B it will remain same. Why? Because the bottom will become top and the top will become bottom. In case of B, it is same for both. Also you can see for C, for D, for E, for H, for I, for K, for O, for X, it remains same. So these are the few alphabets where the water image remains same. Others you have to practice and you can easily be able to solve that. Now, let's proceed to the next slide. So here we have small alphabets. Now in the small alphabets also, what you have to do, you have to practice that how it will be formed. As you can see that for B here, it does not remain same. Please mark everyone that the bottom part will become the top and the top will become bottom. So this will be for B. For example, for I, it's like this, inverted. Now we have to see what images are same in this case, in the small letter. So we can see that C, L, O, X remains same in this case. It does not change. Others all are changing. Now I will give you one more example to understand. For E, suppose. Okay, for E. Now, what will be the water image of E? It will be just inverted. You can see that this is the top will become bottom and the bottom will become top. This is how you're supposed to solve all the water images questions, and it's very important. One of the important topics. So now I have given a slide so that you can be easily able to understand and practice what are the similar identical water images, the images of the alphabets which have similar water images. It will be not changed. It will remain unchanged, like C, D, E, H, I, K, O, X. All these water images remains unchanged. Okay. Now we'll proceed to the number part. In the number part, we have 1 to 0. Others can be found because all the questions will be based on the, as I told you, capital alphabets, small alphabets, and the numbers. And the questions can be mixed form also. I'll go through that. I'll practice, make you practice about that as well. First, let's practice about the number part. So you can see that in the number part, only 0 and 8 are same. Others are water image. Okay, these have the 8 and 0 part have identical water image. Others do not have identical water image. So let's practice about 5. Okay, so what I told you, that the right and the left will remain unchanged. It will be same. Only the top will become the bottom and the bottom will become top. So this top came on the bottom and the bottom came on the top. This is the way you have to solve about all other numbers. Like for example, yeah, for 1 minute. For example, we can see more about this kind of thing. Yes, in this example, you can see, like I've given a word study. So this is the original image. Now, also remember one thing, that in water image, you have to, like suppose you are given a question. So the answer will start from the first part only. The answer will start from the first part only. Only the thing that will be changed, that the whole part, the whole word will be inverted, upside down. Like for in this question, S is there. So what will be the water image of S? It will be upside down. For T, it's like this. So suppose here it is a water body placed here. So it will also be upside down. Similarly for U, the D part remains same. As I told you earlier, D part remains same and Y will also become upside down. So this will be the water image of this particular question. So it's very easy when you practice more and more about it, and you will be able to solve all the questions quickly. All you need is to practice more and more. So here are the few examples of success, brilliant, and awesome that I have given. As you can see, I'll take one example, this brilliant, suppose. So water image of B will remain B. You can practice it. So, and R will be, suppose this is R and a water body is placed here. So R will be like this. I will remain same. L will be inverted. This lower part will come on the top and the top part will come on the lower body. I will remain same. A, the bottom part will come on the top and the top will come on the bottom. Similarly, for N part, what you have to make, it will be like this. The top will become the bottom and the bottom will become top. The same case repeats for T also. So here we have these questions. We can practice, and all you need to practice is the capital letters, small letters, and the numbers, and a few images as well. So there will be a few questions related to images as well. Let's go quickly through some questions. Okay, so this is a small part, a small question, a small letter alphabet question. So I'll take one more, like awesome. Suppose A is written like this. So in water image, how A will be written? It will be just inverted. And W is this. So in water image question, it will be inverted. So this is the way you have to solve all these questions. It's very easy. Just invert it. Just invert the upside down part. Nothing more you have to do. I'll quickly take few more examples, and please make a note. That is very important in this question. For example, here is a question called nuclear. Okay, so what do you have to do in nuclear? It's NUCLEAR. The N part will become, I'll just give you an example. First, you have to see what options start with the N. Is it starting with N? No, so it will cancel out. Is it starting with N? Yes, 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 and they all are inverted correctly. Then you have to see what is the correct inverted image of U. We know that correct inverted image of U is this. So you will be, yeah, it's correct in this, it's correct in this, it's incorrect in this because it remains same. So this will also cancel out. Now you have to check between second and fourth option. Okay, so C, image of water image will be of C will be C only. Now check for L. What will be the water image of L? It will be like this. So you can see it's wrong here and it's correct here. So easily we can find out the answer in this way. First, start checking with all the options and you eventually you will reach to the correct option. Okay. Now this is one of the a small example question. In the small example question, all you have to do, you have to frame, you have to understand, start again from the first letter only, first alphabet only. That is B will be like this and it will form like this. Okay. And here R is this and it will be formed as opposite of R will be this one. It will be upside down. I is this, it will be upside down. Easy, right? D will be like this. So D will be upside down as this. Okay. Sorry, this. It will be upside down. And then G part is given like this. So how it will be made? It will be made like this upside part of G. The top part of G will be here and the bottom part will be here. E will be like this. So this will be the water image and the answer will be 2. Just to start making the water image, it's very easy. So you will get the answers. Easy but important topic. You may have a few questions from this topic. Let's go a few more examples. Okay, now this type of question is very important. This is a combination kind of question. Here we have a combination of capital alphabet and numbers. Okay, so I'll give you few examples, like a few part of this example, like suppose R. Okay, what you have to see, you have to see which is the water image of G, which is the correct water image of G. So the correct water image of G will be like this. Now you check in all. Yeah, it's correct in all. Now check for R, which one is correct. It is correct in first, it is correct in third, but it and fourth as well, but it's incorrect in second part. So it will be eliminated on that part only. Now check for 9, which one is correct. Is it correct? No, it's wrong for 9. So it will be also eliminated. Is it correct? Yeah, it's correct here. Now we are left with 2 options. Now check for A. Which is the correct inverted image for A? Yes, A ka water image will be this one. And it's written the same here. So it will also be eliminated. We are left with option 3. But to be very sure, just check for all the options if you have time. Okay, so that will help you to make a proper water image question. Now, okay, so now this is one of the examples of the combination of capital, small, and the number part. I'll give you one brief idea about this. For A, we have water image as A. Now for 1, we have 1. For M, we have M will become kind of W, and 3 will be 3 only. Okay, 3 will be 3 only. And for B, it will be P. So this will be the answer. Let's check which one is matching. Yeah, the option 3 is matching. For your understanding, I have given the answer, but you have to practice that how the answer is coming. So this is how you solve water image questions. Now let's quickly go through one of the picture image questions. I have placed many questions here. Okay, so this is it for today. We'll be practicing more questions in the next topic. Thank you.